All right, let's look at knowledge check 18.8.1. Let's go ahead and load the Tidyverse and complete journey packages. All right, number one says create a bar plot that visualizes the number of transactions across all weeks. All right, so to do this, we only need one data set, the transaction sample. If we look at this data set, if we go all the way over to the end, we have a variable called week. And we can use that. So what we could do is say, I want to go ahead and plot. And what I actually want to do here is plot the week variable, because that's going to take the number of transactions for each category of week, or each number of week, and then I can use geom bar to visualize that. And so now we get this output, and we see we have, for our weeks, we kind of have this fairly steady between what, 1,200 and 1,500 roughly transactions. We have a little bit of maybe a cyclical nature going on in here. That could be at the beginning of a month, end of a month, or so on. So now it says, now add a fill parameter to assess if the ratio of brand was consistent across these weeks. Well, to do this, we need to use the products data, because within products, there is a variable called brand. So we want to use this information to kind of see, is there a difference in the distribution of the different brands across the weeks, okay? So let's go ahead and we're going to take our transactions sample, we're going to interjoin with products. And then now I can go ahead and I can put this right into ggplot, AES, and I want to still do the week variable, but I want to do fill equals brand. And now I can go ahead and do geom bar. And now what we see is a stacked bar chart that will show there's only two different brands in here. You got the national brand and the private brands. And so we can kind of see that the distribution looks to follow the same cyclical nature for both of those brands. So it looks like there is some consistency in how the sales are, or the transactions are distributed across the brands across all the weeks.